Hi everyone, I'm Occupational from Civil Engineering Program at Atmajaya University Yogyakarta. This time, I will explain about health and safety at construction site. Did you know that work accident cases in Indonesia reached 152,000 in 2020? That's not a small number, is not it? The objective of implementing occupational health and safety at the site is to have zero accident. The application of occupational health and safety is important because it is not an obligation but a necessity. In Kementrian signs, there are symbols of work safety that must be obeyed by workers. Among them, prohibition sign. Prohibition sign in the form of a smoking ban, a ban on carrying matches, and etc. Common sign. Common sign that must be carried out at the project site are the obligation to use helmets, vests, safety shoes, and etc. Alert sign. Alert sign, for example, sign at the location have the potential for an electrical hazard. Green information sign. Green information sign in the form of information on evacuation routes and safe condition. Red information sign. Red information sign can be information on the location of a live fire extinguisher. And information sign are black with white lines. Information sign in black with white lines can be information about the presence of a toilet. Personal protective equipment that can be used when working on a construction site includes safety shoes. Safety shoes serve to protect from sharp and dangerous objects, prevent fatal work accident, protect from hazardous chemical liquid, create protection from hard objects, and so as not to hurt while working. Safety vest. Safety vest serves to prevent contact or accident. The use of safety vests so that they can be seen in dark conditions and make others alert. Safety helmet. Used to protect the head from impact, blow, or fall of sharp and heavy objects that float or slide through the ice. Mask. Mask serves to protection or to avoid and reduce the possibility of workers being contaminated with gas that endangers their breathing or contaminated with infection or air conditioning in the area where they work and prevent the spread of the virus during a pandemic like now. Safety eyeglasses. Safety eyeglasses serve to protect the area from harmful effects on our eyesight when working in certain area. Gloves. Gloves serve to protect hands from sharp objects and prevent injury while working. Safety belt. Safety belt used to prevent reduce the risk of accident falling from a height. Other things that can support occupational health and safety at the site include medical check-up, do morning exercise, singing yell to increase enthusiasm for work, and don't forget to pray before work. With the learning video regarding procedure on day 3, it is hoped that workers who are building infrastructure in Indonesia can more closely obey the sign regarding day 3, be more secure while working by using correct APD, and be more obedient about occupational health and safety management. Okay, that's my explanation. Thank you for listening. Press like button if you like it. Thank you for watching. Safety first.